Welcome to Sunilexceltricks. Subscribe if you like it. Please share it. Guys, today I'm showing you how to disable the editing option, as many people were facing, even myself also facing. Any new file when I'm opening the new version of Excel, it is asking enable editing, enable editing. Today I will show you how to disable it. Whenever you open, you will not get this error. So let's start it. So now you want to go to file, okay, click on file and then go to the option, click on the trust center and click on the all the test center certificates, then click on the protect view and unclick all the tick marks over here. Once you untick, press on OK, then save it Excel sheet and close the Excel sheet. Again, if you open the Excel sheet, you will not get this error. So hope this will help you. If it is help you, please subscribe the channel and share it to your friends so they can also disable the editing option. Please comment what you like to learn.